Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process on your Dyson SV14, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure the vacuum is unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Start by removing the dust bin from the vacuum. Press the release button and pull it out. Set it aside. Next, locate the screws securing the motor cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover off. You might find some accumulated dust and debris inside. Use the soft cloth to clean this area thoroughly. A clean environment will help your new motor function efficiently. Now, you'll see the motor itself. Disconnect the wiring harness attached to the motor by gently pulling it out. If the connector is tight, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Remember to take note of how the wires are connected, as you will need to reconnect them later. If you're unsure, consider taking a picture for reference. Next, remove the screws that hold the motor in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take these out. Once the screws are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the vacuum body. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. With the old motor removed, take a moment to inspect the motor compartment for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks good, it's time to install the new motor. Place the new motor into the compartment and secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it sits snugly and is aligned correctly. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor. Ensure the connection is firm and secure. If you need assistance, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, no calls, no travel required. Once the motor is connected, replace the motor cover by aligning it with the vacuum body and securing it with the screws. Take your time here to ensure a proper fit. After the cover is on, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Finally, give your vacuum a thorough cleaning to ensure it operates at peak efficiency. Wipe down the exterior and check filters if applicable. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This step can save you time and ensure you're making an informed decision. Now you're ready to test your vacuum. Plug it in, turn it on, and listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor on your Dyson SV14. Enjoy your freshly functioning vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.